Log on our channel and watch variety of videos. Hi, I'm Kirtan. Freshwater birds. If we search around freshwater anywhere in the world, you will find teams of birds living on it or near. Some are swimmers, some are waders. Kingfishers live by rivers. They perch on branches above the water, waiting for fish to swim them past. When they see one, they dive it. Duck, geese, and swans are waterfowls. They have boat-shaped bodies and webbed feet, which make them very good swimmers. Waterfowls have a long bill with shaped ridges along them to grab slippy fishes. Marlins often feed by sticking their body into the air to reach the plant. Walrus have long legs that allow them to walk into the shallow water without getting their feathers wet. Some also have long necks for feeding them. Flamingos live in a huge flock of sometimes a million birds. Many of them are pink because they eat tiny fishes that they dye in features pink. Share it and like it. Subscribe our channel.